the true air battery only can fly 3 minutes.
Stop.
Change the
Looks good.
It's light.
What is this you put on? This is special for drones or for your bows?
No, special for drones.
Very nice. And then do some FPV. Finished?
Almost. It's almost finished.
You can only charge one battery at a time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Now you used this one you made yourself or you bought this one?
I made it myself.
Oh. Very nice.
And this big battery I can use outdoor.
But this one I think you can connect another charging port to, but you only have one charger right there. This is 2 years?
3 years.
3 years.
Yes.
This one can put on mine?
No. It's too big. And it's too heavy. Too big, too heavy.
This is what, 3 years?
More bigger. For 4
You can use this one for this one?
Yeah.
Oh.
I use this one. My drone can fly 10 meters.
10 minutes?
Yeah, 10 minutes. Yeah.
What about this one?
4, 5.
It's still a long time to compare like to these ones, you know. You can see this one's compared to this one. How much does this weigh? How heavy is it?
I don't know. I'm not too calculating.
This one is 100 grams, less than 100, this one.
Yep.